Okay na, sige, let's take this one as another example. Dito ang slope is 2/3, 'di ba? Ito yung graphical representation ng slope na 2/3. Let's say ito yung point A natin and this one yung point B natin. Okay? So sabi natin, unahin nating kunin yung run. 'Di ba yung run, mini-measure natin from this point ilang step nag-move papunta sa second point. Ito yung second point natin. Okay? I-solve muna natin yung run, yung sa ibaba. Diba? From this point, ang point of reference natin, itong x itong x-axis. Okay? So, ito yung katapat ng second point, diba? Nasa 2 siya. Katapat sa 2. Ito naman nakatapat dito. So, from here, bibilangin natin ilan yung naging movement niya sa x-axis from this point going to that point. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so meron tayong 6, di ba? Tapos from here, titingnan naman natin yung ilan yung naging movement niya along the y-axis. Ito, the y-axis. Ito yung x-axis. Okay? So, titingnan naman natin ilan yung naging movement niya. Okay? So, from this point, okay, to that point, ilan yung movement? Etong point na to, ang equivalent nito is 1, di ba? Pag nilagyan mo ng imaginary lines, equivalent to 1. So, from 1, ilang step siya nag-move pataas? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 na beses siya nag-move pataas. So, ang slope mo is m is equal to 4/6. Now, yung 4/6, pwede mo pa siyang i-simplify. Both are divisible by 2. You divide 4 by 2. You divide 6 by 2. It will give you yung slope na 2/3. Okay? Sige, let's try to illustrate. Asan yung run? Okay, yung run mo is from this point. Ay, yung rise mo, asan yung rise mo? From this point to that point. Ayun yung run, yung rise mo. 'Di ba? Ito yung rise. Asa naman yung run mo from this point to that point. Okay? Ito to, yung 1 hanggang dito sa 2. Ilan yon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ito yung run mo. Okay, ito yung run mo. Bakit? Paano nangyari na from 4/6 naging 2/3? May common factor yung 4 and 6. Both are divisible by 2. So, we divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. So, we end up with this slope. No? 2/3. Okay, gets? Na? O, ganyan lang ganyan yung paano mo ima-mark yung run tsaka yung rise. Okay? Again, ano yung point of reference mo for marking yung run? Yung x-axis mo. No? Hanapin mo yung katapat nung na value sa x-axis ng mga points. Ito ang katapat niya ay -4. Ito ang katapat niya naman ay +2. Okay, notice positive, di ba? Bakit positive? Bakit siya positive? Kasi yung movement is going to right, no? Okay, from here, katapat ng -4, pumunta sa going to right. If it's going to right, positive yon. Dito rin, bakit positive? Kasi from this point, ano yung nangyari? Di ba? Ano yung katapat na point dito? Ang katapat is negative 1. Umangat. Okay, ang movement ay upward, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya positive 4. Okay? Clear tayo dito, nak. Kapag if you, sige. Ayan, ganyan yung kung paano.